Hey you guys, it's your girl Lady T, and I have another Lady T's recipe for you. A lemon pound cake that you will die for. So I hope you watch and take some notes. If you make it, leave me some comments down below and let me know how yours turned out. So here we go. You guys, I got 3 sticks of unsalted butter and a third of softened cream cheese. I'm gonna mix this for just like 10 seconds to get it all softened up.
I lose my spark. Living in this crazy time, putting back the pieces of my mind.
So I'm gonna add some lemon extract, you guys. And also I'm adding cake batter extract. It's the bomb, trust me. So now I got 3 cups of sugar. I'm gonna go ahead and add all of that to my butter mixture. And then I'm going to mix for 10 to 12 minutes, you guys. This is an important part. So I hope you're able to mix that long. Go do something else and just let it mix and whip up. You guys, make sure you're scraping in between to make sure that sugar and stuff is not stuck to your bowl.
A break from this world. Running on a hamster wheel, but searching for something I can't feel. I just wanna be a lost girl and fly. Take a breath, feel my wings spread, levitate above the ground and make eye contact with clouds. Now I'm rising, I'm soaring above it. It all, I just wanna be free. Finally, I wanna be free.
And so after about 10 to 12 minutes, you should have a white, fluffy mixture. I have 5 large eggs, and I'll add them one at a time. If 2 happen to fall in, it's okay. Just blend until you don't see any more yellow, a couple of seconds, and then add your next one. So you guys, I have 3 cups of cake flour sifted already, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder that has already been sifted that I will add to this. And I also have 1 cup of room temperature milk. Now I'm only going to add a 1/3 of the flour now. And I start with my flour and I end with my flour.
Break from this world, running on a hamster wheel, but searching for something I can't feel. I just wanna be a lost girl and fly. Take a breath, feel my wings spread, levitate above the ground.
Add about half of that milk in.
Now I'm rising, I'm soaring above it all. I just wanna be free. Finally,
My tripod didn't want to act right, y'all. Sorry. Add about another 1/3 of that flour in.
I lose my spark. Living in this crazy time, putting back the pieces of my mind. I know how to run from the dark and fly. Take a breath, feel my
And add the
wings
last of your
spread,
milk.
levitate into the clouds. I'm so high above the ground. I'm rising. I'm soaring above it all. I just wanna be free.
So you can go ahead and add the last of that flour and hand mix it so you're not over mixing your cake batter.
I wanna be free. I wanna be free. Higher to a bird. You, I'm rising. I'm soaring above it all. I just wanna be free. I wanna be free. I wanna be free. I wanna be free.
Go ahead and set your oven for 325. Mine baked for 1 hour and 10 minutes, but depending on your oven, I would check it after an hour.
Living for weekends, wishing I could take a break from this world. Running on a hamster wheel, but searching for something I can't feel. I just wanna be a lost girl and fly. Take a breath, feel my wings spread, levitate above the ground and make eye contact with clouds. Now I'm rising, I'm soaring.
Let it cool at least 10 minutes before taking it out the cake pan, y'all. Okay, let's start on some glaze for this cake, and it will be a lemon glaze. I have a 1/3 of some softened cream cheese still.
Never imagined I lose my spark. Living in this crazy time, putting back the pieces of my mind. I know how to run from the dark and fly. Take a breath, feel my wings spread, levitate into the clouds. I'm so high above the ground. I'm rising. I'm soaring
used about a cup of this powdered sugar. I'm going to add 1 to 2 teaspoons of milk, depending on how thick or thin you want it. Okay, you guys, the cake looks perfect. Sometimes some of the little pieces edges stick in there, but it's still perfect. So let's go ahead and start drizzling, you guys. I really hope you guys try this lemon pound cake. Lady T's recipe. Give me a good thumbs up if you liked it. If you try it, go ahead and leave me a comment down below.
Never imagined I'd lose my spark. Living in this crazy time, putting back the pieces of